Welcome back to our channel. Today, we'll explore one of the most common problems experienced by car owners, which is the catalytic converter theft. You'll understand the challenges of securing catalytic converters and commercial properties. Stay to the end, as we'll explore how you can prevent it from getting stolen with these 5 security systems. Let's get started. Catalytic converter theft has become a major financial problem for businesses that operate commercial fleets. These components contain valuable precious metals, making them a common target for thieves. When a catalytic converter is stolen, companies often face costly replacements, unexpected vehicle downtime, delayed deliveries, and lost productivity. For fleet operators, protecting these parts is not just about security. It's about keeping daily operations running smoothly and protecting long-term profits. Installing reliable security systems and anti-theft protection can greatly reduce the risk of catalytic converter theft. Strong security measures help businesses safeguard their vehicles, avoid costly interruptions, and maintain efficient day-to-day operations. From surveillance systems and motion sensors to protective shields and GPS monitoring, the right solutions can provide both security and peace of mind. Here are 5 of the best security options businesses can use to help prevent catalytic converter theft and keep their fleets protected. If this is your first time on our channel, kindly subscribe. We post an insightful auto guide weekly. Wait, before that, you need to understand the challenge of securing catalytic converters and commercial properties in today's world. Commercial parking
lots have become major targets for catalytic converter thieves because a single break-in can give criminals access to multiple vehicles at once. Businesses that operate large fleets, maintain wide parking areas, or store vehicles overnight often attract thieves looking for quick, high-value theft opportunities. For criminals, these locations offer both quantity and convenience, making commercial properties especially vulnerable. The financial impact has become enormous in recent years. Catalytic converter theft claims surged dramatically in 2022, costing businesses and vehicle owners hundreds of millions of dollars. Although theft numbers temporarily declined afterward, rising prices for precious metals such as platinum, palladium, and rhodium have once again made catalytic converters extremely attractive to thieves. Unfortunately, commercial fleet operators continue to absorb most of the financial damage. Replacing just one stolen catalytic converter can already cost thousands of dollars, but the real burden often comes from the business disruption that follows.
When delivery vans, trucks, or service vehicles are forced into repair shops, companies lose valuable operating time and daily income. Delayed deliveries, missed appointments, and service interruptions can quickly undermine productivity and customer trust. The situation becomes even worse when replacement parts are difficult to source. Ongoing supply chain delays can leave businesses waiting days, weeks, or even months before vehicles return to service. What begins as a simple theft can rapidly grow into a major operational crisis that affects scheduling, profits, and overall business performance. Another reason catalytic converter theft is so difficult to stop is the speed of the crime itself. Experienced thieves can remove a catalytic converter within minutes using simple power tools like reciprocating saws. The entire process happens so quickly that criminals are often gone before law enforcement or security teams can respond. Commercial properties located in industrial zones or remote areas face an even bigger challenge. These locations usually have fewer people around at night, giving thieves the cover and anonymity they need to operate unnoticed. Many businesses still rely on basic or passive security systems that fail to actively monitor suspicious activity or capture clear evidence during a theft. Large commercial properties also create security gaps because wide perimeters are difficult to monitor continuously. Without active surveillance, motion detection, strong lighting, and real-time monitoring, thieves can move around unnoticed far beyond the reach of routine patrols. Businesses that lack complete security coverage often become easy targets, even when they already have fences or basic protection in place. As catalytic converter theft continues to evolve, businesses must treat fleet security as a critical investment, rather than an afterthought. Strong, modern security systems not only protect valuable vehicle components, but also help prevent downtime
financial losses, and long-term operational disruption. We selected the 5 best security systems for you, but this is how they are selected. Before that, kindly subscribe to our channel if you find this video interesting. Now, let's continue.
Modern security systems for protecting commercial fleets now range from simple physical locks to highly advanced surveillance networks powered by artificial intelligence. However, choosing the right protection is not just about installing the most expensive technology. It's about understanding the real security risks a property faces and selecting systems that can actively stop theft before it happens. An effective security solution should do more than simply record criminal activity after the damage is already done. The main goal is to prevent unauthorized access, discourage thieves from targeting the property, and protect valuable vehicles and equipment around the clock. When evaluating the best security systems for catalytic converter theft prevention, several key factors become extremely important. The first priority is crime prevention, rather than basic recording. A good security system should actively deter criminals through visible protection measures, motion detection, alarms, lighting, or physical barriers, instead of only capturing footage after a theft has occurred. Another major factor is total protection. Businesses with commercial fleets need layered security that combines multiple forms of defense, such as surveillance cameras, access control, perimeter protection, and vehicle-specific anti-theft devices. Multiple layers make it much harder for criminals to gain access or operate unnoticed. Scalability also plays a critical role, especially for businesses managing large properties or dozens of vehicles. The ideal system should protect entire fleet operations efficiently without creating blind spots or weak areas across the property. Finally, return on investment matters just as much as security itself. A strong protection system helps businesses avoid expensive repair bills, operational downtime, delivery delays, and lost revenue caused by theft. In many cases, preventing even one large theft incident can save far more money than the original cost of installing the security system. The best security solutions are those that combine prevention, visibility, reliability, and long-term operational protection, helping businesses keep their fleet secure while maintaining smooth daily operations. Now, this is the part where I seriously need your attention. What are the best security systems for preventing catalytic converter theft? 5 systems stand out for their technological capabilities and overall effectiveness in commercial settings. 1. Amarok. Amarok stands out as one of the strongest security solutions for commercial fleets and industrial properties. Its system focuses on stopping theft before criminals ever reach the vehicles. The company combines electric perimeter fencing, 24/7 monitoring, and surveillance into one complete security package. Its electric guard dog fence delivers a safe but painful shock that discourages intruders immediately, while cameras and monitoring teams keep the property under constant watch. Key features: solar-powered electric perimeter fence, 24/7 monitoring and video surveillance, full-service installation and maintenance, strong protection for large commercial properties. 2. Cat Clamp. Cat Clamp focuses directly on protecting catalytic converters by locking them securely to the vehicle frame. Its heavy-duty wire rope design makes removal extremely difficult and time-consuming for thieves. The system works especially well for smaller fleets or high-value vehicles that need extra protection. Key features: heavy-duty aircraft-grade wire rope, strong visual theft deterrent, fits many vehicle models, increases theft difficulty and risk. 3. Zion Park. Zion Park provides solar-powered surveillance systems designed for large or remote commercial lots. Its PTZ cameras can rotate, zoom, and monitor wide areas, even in locations without power infrastructure. These systems help businesses monitor isolated properties where traditional wired security systems may not work effectively. Key features: solar-powered off-grid cameras, wide-area PTZ monitoring, 4G remote viewing access, ideal for large industrial properties. 4. IQ Virtual Guard. IQ Virtual Guard combines AI-powered surveillance with live human monitoring. When suspicious activity appears, remote agents immediately respond through speakers or contact law enforcement. Its live talk-down feature helps scare off intruders before theft happens, giving businesses a more active security approach without hiring on-site guards. Key features: AI-powered threat detection, live remote monitoring agents, real-time audio warnings, lower security staffing costs. 5. Skid plate. Skid plate protects catalytic converters using strong steel or aluminum shields installed underneath vehicles. These plates physically block access to the converter, making quick theft attempts much harder. The system offers durable protection for fleet vehicles that regularly remain parked outdoors. Key features: heavy-duty steel or aluminum shields, direct barrier against converter theft, vehicle-specific fitment, long-lasting physical security solution. That is all for this video. I hope it was helpful. If so, kindly share it with others. Tell me about your car theft experience and how you fixed it. Remember, someone is watching in the comment section. Thanks for watching. See you around.